Hello, my name is Sunny Yadav. My student code is FS40_3703599. So me and my team have created Amazon clone for Construct Week block B41. So basically we have created Amazon clone. So let me share the screen and okay, so my screen is visible. So now I am going to show the website which we have created. So this is basic Amazon clone which is inspired by Amazon app. So basically in this first we have created the navbar section which have a different type of logo, and we have also added functionality to deliver to the user's address. If we log in it, it will automatically detect the user's name and deliver product at the user's address. So come to the search point. So these have all of category of things like if you have to buy any of these, you can choose from this and filter it. So this is search option. So in this you can also search the product. So coming to account and list. So basically we have created all of this. In this we have also create admin. So let me show you admin panel. So basically in admin, if user is admin, like have product to sell, so basically what we have created, so we created a dashboard for user. So we can so see their product, which is their product and price, and if it available or not. If available, so it will show them. And there is order management, so basically how many order, how that admin get. And category management, how much product like, which how much product is user is admin is giving. Okay, so after this, so now right now we have this sign in page. So basically if we can, so I have already signed in. So you can see that my name is my email and the product which I have added in cart. So if I sign out, it will automatically redirect to the page, sign in page. So we can create account if we did not have any account. Okay. So okay. So that's all about Naver. So coming to hero section, we have added top trending product category wise. You can see it. Okay. After this, we have also added some other trending product category wise, like in this home essential, you can see this gaming PCs, and you can see this also travel essential. We have also provide category wise. You can also select from this if you have any product buy. So we have also this also we have provide. After this is footer part. This is created by me, so it will get to know about our company and career, if we have any openings and other product which we give service giving. And this all of audiobook and sell on Quickcard Music. This is other product which acquired by Quickcard. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Mm.